My daughter's check engine light was on her Mercedes. It's a C250, and we bought one of those little OBD scanners, and when we plugged it in, it had a P0304. It's a cylinder misfire. The only two things that it could be is a bad spark plug or the ignition coil. So we took it to the mechanic, and this is what we found out. This is my daughter's Mercedes. It's a 2015 C250 Mercedes Coupe. It's a turbo 4-cylinder. And what was going on with it is she had a check engine light on. So I purchased this OBD code reader, and we plugged it in, and the code was a P0304. And it said the 4th cylinder was misfire. So we took it to the mechanic, and what he did, he ran his scan, he got the same code, and he popped the engine. And what he did, he changed these spark plugs out right here. He changed the 4th cylinder, but I told him to go ahead and change all the spark plugs. And he charged like $297. That's a pretty good deal to change those. So we got all the spark plugs changed, and he showed me the gap that the old spark plugs had compared to the new spark plugs. And once he changed it, that code went away. So the car got more power and everything. So if you get a code that says P0304, it's probably just need a tune-up or get your spark plugs changed. And it shouldn't cost no more than $300–400. If you take it to the mechanics, they start telling you all of this and this and start coming up with thousands of dollars. No. And you could change these spark plugs yourself. It's really probably simple to do. I just didn't want to do it, so we took it to the mechanics for $300, and he changed it out, and it works great. So if you get a code that says P0304 or 0303 or 2, it's probably the spark plugs. You just need a good tune-up on your vehicle. So she's back on the road, and all is good. So just go ahead and change those spark plugs out, and you can go get it inspected. We went and got it inspected. It passed inspection with no problem. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have a great day.